these are the three decks, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, as you can see it marked. Take your time, choose one of the decks, the first one, second one, or the third one, whatever is your choice. Go for it. This is a three pile reading, and the three pile reading is very clear about the first pile. Those who have picked up the first pile, you've been very, very stressed out. Trust me, the stress is somewhere breaking your head and heart, okay? And there is something painful that you want it to come to an end, something which you are emotional about. It could be a relationship, it could be related to your career, but it has been painful. So you are not thinking possibly as much as you can mentally or practically about the situation. You're trying to think as much as possible, try and see emotionally, you feel like very stuck, and there is a feeling where you feel very, very low, disappointed, but you're very intuitive. You understand the situation completely well. So as a tarot card reader, my job becomes very easy when I'm giving you a reading for people who've chosen pile number 1, because you yourself deep in your heart know what is the problem and where is the problem, and possibly that is why in times to come you will start waiting very patiently, and once you start waiting patiently, you will find your old self back, and the old self of being bold, determined and courageous will definitely come back. You are hurt, disappointed, angry and very, very upset with someone or something. Let me go a little detail into what are you upset about. This could be a money issue or it could be emotional issue. Both. You are being very self-protective about the days to come. You're kind of thinking, will I get this? Will that happen? Will that not happen? Ultimately, you will go into a zone which is the healing zone. The healing zone does not mean that immediately things will happen for you, but trust me, the things are going to happen for your highest good, where you will be more emotionally open up a little less. Open up, not more. Opening up a little less, quite less. You'll close yourself off completely, okay, as much as you can. But this closing off is not in a bad way. This is to prevent yourself from feeling further hurt, and you will wait for times to come. Please wait for few more weeks or few more months, depending from person to person. Actually, this reading is a collective reading, so I would say some of you might wait for 3 weeks or so, and some of you it might be even few months, okay, but it is not a long wait. There are a lot of things which has been cleared, okay, completely cleared, and the bad drop, and this anybody coming into your life, any lucrative opportunity coming into your life, you are just not going for it. You want to do the best that you can, and believe me, out of this detachment, see what is wonderful thing, see, out of this detachment will come this attachment. Out of this detachment will come this attachment, this warm, really friendly and caring person that you are needs to take rest, needs to lie low, which you are going to do to heal yourself. All the very best for the upcoming weeks and months till the time this reading resonates with you. Okay, so that's about it. This seems to be like a deeply a relationship reading, okay, to me. Because a lot of love there if I talk about, there's been something happened in the recent times where you felt that something wrong has happened to you, very wrong, very recently, maybe a week back or few days back when you're watching this reading, okay, very recently you would have seen something wrong happening with you, and you felt very disappointed. You felt yet again I'm getting stuck, again I'm facing some problem. Maybe you felt betrayed by someone or something, but you are going to be back with your lover, okay, or with the person that you love a lot. And this is a huge transition from the time when you were thinking this relationship to be burdensome, and you were feeling that it's a big backlog to you, like, oh my god, how will I carry it on, and how will I manage this relationship, and this is so much tough for me and all that. Because to reach here in this relationship, it has required you a lot of courage, lot of conviction, lot of perseverance of your heart and or your mind, because you have thought through a lot and you've come out of your fear, come out of a deep kind of fear that you have been in, because this card indicates that it has been a big jump for you from not trusting to trusting, from darkness to light, or from something that you have never ever done to this relationship. Now this kind of relationship probably you did not think that you would have, and after all the hiccups and ups and downs in the relationship that you were facing, you will be back with your person, but you will not lose your independence. How beautiful is that? I'm quite impressed with seeing that, because it's not like you're deeply in love with someone and you will want to leave yourself completely out and will be chasing happiness only with this person. What this card indicates also, that this person who will be coming into your life or has already come, for some of you it might have already come, for few of you it might be just coming, and that person, when he or she comes into your life, you are going to still be independent, enjoying your happiness, at the same time being blissfully in lot of love. Now, because another indication of this is when your attitude is quite strong, you do not want to give up on your inner strength. You don't want to depend on this person or that person for love. Yes, you are in love, deeply in love, beautifully with this person, but at the same time you would not want to lose your own identity, and you want to be this Queen of Pentacles, which talks about both doing well career wise, emotional wise, and at the same time you have moved on from your past. Very, very important for you to know the past is in the past and something beautiful is coming out. So what was there in the past? Fear was there in the past, pain was there in the past, there was a lot of struggle in the past. You will be leaving that behind and moving ahead with lot of determination and courage. And this is a Chariot card, and Chariot talks about movement. Chariot is not meant to stay stable. Chariot is meant to move, but for a chariot to move, the person who is taking the chariot is important. A person sitting on the chariot also wants to move ahead, and it is something which will bring more stability in your life, and you will no more feel that this relationship is burdensome. You will also not be worried about what is going to happen, because you are very, very strong. The biggest thing that you would want either to do is stay neutral and stay practical, which you will be, and in spite of being in love, which is very emotional thing, at the same time being practical, you are not losing your power and understanding a newfound person. That is why a big transition that has happened to you, a big transition for people who have chosen deck number 2. Those who have chosen the third pile, they are looking for something new and that is not happening. So you're looking for some kind of a new beginning in a relationship or in terms of your career or job, and you're very hurt, very, very hurt. And this hurt is because you want to move ahead, but you're not able to move ahead. You're full of love, you're trying all the things. In the past you have tried to look for jobs, look for relationships, and you have been looking for only the good ones. You don't want to mess around with any kind of a bad relationship, okay? Your intention is only to look for a good job, and while you're looking for a good job or a good relationship, and for that you have put in some kind of effort, maybe affirmation, manifestation, wishing, praying, directly, indirectly, or also to a great extent you have gone and searched to some extent, okay? Because see, whoever you're finding, the stability is there. Whatever you're finding, the stability is what you're looking at consciously. But you're always looking at whatever has not worked for you. In times to come, the universe is asking you to wait for some time. There are certain things, you know it very well. Right now, if a person or if a new job comes, that might not be very, very stable. So universe is asking you to wait, look for a little while, because the job that you or the relationship that you will be getting will definitely be something that you will really love. Now, where do I find, except for an eclipse where the sun and moon both is visible, where do I find except for an eclipse? And you are very clear about it, that there is a wait energy, there is a waiting energy which was asking you to wait for the right relationship. So some proposal might come, but wait for the clear intention of that person or that proposal to be, because that proposal will not be a direct proposal with the kind of relationship or the job opportunity that you are looking at. It will be a proposal which will also have an undercurrent of some kind of dissatisfaction that you will feel. It will not be something that is exactly what you want, but you have to wait till you completely understand what is the intention of the person or your person, be it a male or a female, who is coming and talking to you. And please go slow, because universe has bestowed upon you very, very important thing called intuition. You are very blessed to understand things, to comprehend things. And if you're in a hurry, you'll make a mistake. But if you're listening to people well, if you're judging, you just wait and slow down. You're all there. You don't need anything. You are the right person to judge any kind of proposal that is coming your way. And once you're able to do that, trust me, there is no looking back. Because what else do I say, that your waiting energy is not a bad thing. It's actually a very, very good thing. And let these clouds over this moon pass by. Let the cloud of uncertainty, not understanding what is happening, because any proposal that comes your way might be a very good proposal, but you need to wait for some time. And you continue to stay in that lot of love for everybody around you. At the same time, universe is blessing you with lot of blessings around, okay? And so do not change yourself, because universe does not want you to change yourself. You are growing and growing stronger day by day. All the best.